Welcome back to Austin Live.
All right, they say there's no such thing as a free lunch. That may be true, but there is such a thing as a free snack. Just ask Jill Redding. She's here with a company called Tastykake, and look what Jill brought with her here today. This is just some of the, 135 varieties?
135 different varieties. I think I'm the most popular person here today.
You are, by far, actually. And so the interesting thing is you've brought like this bakery truck full of stuff here to Austin that you all are giving away. You want people to taste this stuff.
That's right. We want to give away some free samples so everybody down here in Texas will know how great Tastykake really is and why it's become such a big Northeastern snack sensation.
Yeah, so kind of to rewind here, the company has been around since 1914, almost 100 years now. You all started up in the Northeast and we're kind of around the Mid-Atlantic, and then suddenly a few years ago you started just exploding across the United States, and just this year, here you are in Texas.
Here we are in Texas. We've gotten so many Facebook requests and phone calls and letters from Texans down here that were Philadelphians that migrated down here, and they were like, why can't we get our favorite Tastykake treat?
And they're mad at you almost,
exactly.
You know, like,
they're
get
just
down
like,
here.
Come on, I don't want to sneak them in my suitcase anymore. I want to have them in my local grocery store.
Yeah, because they crush in the suitcase. And so you all have expanded out this way now just in 2012, and really what you're doing is sort of introducing yourselves, and what better way to introduce yourself than giving away samples of Tastykakes.
Right. That's right. And I just want to show you a few items that are going to be on your local grocery store shelves.
Okay.
So if you look at the goodness that's on this bounty that's on this plate,
I'm liking
we have the butterscotch crimpet, which is the item here, and if you'd like to taste
it. You guys make like hundreds of millions of these a year, don't you? I mean, it's something incredible.
8 million, I know. It's absolutely incredible. We've got, but one of our favorites is the butterscotch crimpet. This is one of our first products and still around today. Then we have the chocolate.
Let's take a little piece of that off while you're talking there.
I can't believe you didn't just like grab at that just a few minutes.
We let it have its display first on this show. It's full glory.
And so what do you think?
That is really good.
Yeah.
Very moist.
Very moist.
This one is the favorite, isn't it?
No, the coffee cake cupcake. Now that's my personal favorite.
This is your favorite?
Yes, that's my favorite. So it's cream filled. It's got a little icing in there. Perfect with a tall glass of milk or your favorite cup of coffee. And our number one seller is our peanut butter candy cake.
That's the one.
Yes.
Okay.
Those are what I call the little coins of happiness.
We like to taste each one here. Give each one their.
Got to make sure the quality control is there.
You guys go through a lot of peanut butter in a year. I was reading that some ridiculous number of peanut butter sandwiches could be made with what you put into these. Good gracious.
Yes.
We want to bring your attention to this because here I am. I'm eating like this whole platter here. We want you to get your taste as well.
Yes.
All of the different places you see there scrolling through, you can catch, you're going to be out there at the Old Settlers Music Festival.
Yeah.
A lot of people head out there for that. If you missed any of those, by the way, we have it all detailed for you at weareaustin.com. It's in the lifestyle section. Get out there and get your taste. You think you guys might be inspired to do some new varieties now that you're coming into some new markets? Maybe we do things here in Texas.
I think our kitchen can probably whip up some interesting recipes and combinations.
The chefs are like, golly, don't we do enough already?
You Texans are pretty creative.
Yeah, we have some good tastes out this way, so stay tuned, kind of put your own spin on those.
Yeah, so I want everybody to make sure they come out to those locations this week and make sure you get your free taste of Tastykake and see why we say Tastykake, one taste and you'll get it.
Randall's and Old Settlers Music Fest, get out there and get some of this. This peanut butter one's really good. I like this. Betty, I think I saved you one.
One, yeah, maybe like half of one.